All right, so we're gonna jump right into this video to fix this problem. If you have a Ninja Atomos V, and you're trying to download the token so that you can upgrade to ProRes RAW using with the Sony cameras or any other cameras for that matter, and you keep getting this invalid activation token detected. So if you upgraded the firmware to 14, let's just say you went to let me go to the firmware update page. So Ninja firmware update. And we're going to click on firmware update. Now, if you upgraded to the latest version of the Ninja V, you'll see that the upgrade is to Atomos 11.14. And you probably upgraded to Atomos 14. This is the issue that you have. If you are upgraded to the 14, for some reason, it is not registering your token when you try to plug it into the Atomos. It keeps saying invalid, which you'll keep getting this screen right here. This is how you fix this. You want to download the 13 version. You got to download the previous version. For some reason, that's the only version that it's working on. The 14 is probably for the Ninja, which is the new one. And that's probably what's going on because it's the same exact firmware. But for some reason, Atomos I'm not sure what it is. But this is how you fix it. I went through this problem for like 3 or 4 days until let's say, let me go ahead and download the latest version to see if it worked, and it worked. Now, once you download the latest version right here, you're going to upload that to the Atomos. Now, the problem that you have if it won't upgrade or if it's not registering or understanding that you have a firmware is because you might, if you go to the Ninja, you might have downloaded it too many times. And if you downloaded it too many times, it'll start putting numbers next to the firmware update. You want to take that firmware update, put it on the Ninja, and then change the numbers that are on the back end of it. All you wanted to say is atom njv.fw. If it says njv.2 or njv.3, once you plug it into the Atomos, it's not going to register it. So when you turn it on, it'll just you'll be able to just use the device. Make sure you delete those extra numbers, okay? So then after you do that, you want to go to your My Atomos Ninja, where you registered your device, and you want to download your token. Now, before you download your token, you want to switch from available features from the Ninja OS 10, and you want to swap and go to OS 11, which the screen will look like this. Before you download your token, make sure you activate everything that says $0. Everything, even the DNX, all of that stuff. You want to download all of the stuff. So once you hit the download token, everything that you put on to activate will be registered to that token. Then after you get that token, then you can plug the download the token. After you unzip it, download the token onto the drive direct. Make sure it's not inside of a folder or nothing like that. Just download it directly to the SSD drive that you're going to plug into your Atomos. That should do the trick. After you do that, you're going to go to this screen here, which says activation. So you're going to click up here at the top where it says SSD and scroll over to activation. And then you will see a install button down at the bottom. Click the install, and everything you had activated on that token will automatically update here. The OS 11 features may be the one where you have to pay $149 for. I don't need all that stuff, so I just downloaded the ProRes RAW activated and the H.265 activated. If you're having that problem, it's probably because you're downloading the newest firmware update, and it's probably registering to the new Ninja. If you have the Ninja V, you need to go to 11.13.00 firmware, and all of your problems will be fixed. Plancha now, dig you later. APL signing off.